so hurt. You said I'm sentimental, guess you might be right. The embers burning red just where